Getting kind of windy.
And now heading towards the U.S. mainland. As we come on, take a look. The hurricane is still turning.
I believe the iguanas would be alright. If I was really worried, there's no trees or nothing, so pretty safe.
Tropic sunlight heats the water. There's no breeze. Air and water both get warmer. They get warmer day by day. Then the cool air starts a breeze there. Hurricane is on its way. Warm air funnels inward, upward.
Today's topic is hurricane. Zoom in.
With the relentless threat from Hurricane Dorian rapidly strengthening over the past 24 hours to a monster Category 5 storm, striking the Bahamas with 185-mile-per-hour winds and now heading towards the U.S. mainland. As we come on, take a look. The hurricane is still churning over parts of the Bahamas and just 150 miles from the Florida coast.
Ready. Got all the turtles. They're in their little houses here. They should be alright. Got all these filling up with water. All the tortoises are put up, except for the guys out in the front. Took that cage away and moved away from the porch. That's good, I've been wanting to move it anyway. It's getting kind of windy. I had to dig this tortoise up. They had a hole that was probably 100 feet in the ground. So I went in, Sherry pulled me out. Guess I needed to fix that anyway. Oh man, I hope it don't be hitting. This is what she looks like before, and I'll show you what she looks like after. Strapped all the cages down. This is my very first cage, original cage. I guess this is gonna be either it stays or it goes. Cow waters are full of leaves too already. Somebody's burning. That's a jackass. The guys are still out though. All these guys are strapped. Got them all strapped in. Oh, I guess that means I'm gonna put that like that. So I'm gonna put the guys in right at the end tonight. They won't stay in anyway. All these guys are up. Guys are up. Strapped it in. So we'll see. If it goes, that means we gotta build new houses.
Whoa! A hurricane is a huge storm that generally forms over warm ocean waters near the equator.
Already. I need to put that up. It's getting kind of windy. JoJo's panicking. I think we're gonna leave the lizards out. I think they're gonna be alright. I don't know, I'm starting to have second thoughts, but all the iguanas, all them, there's really no trees. So I'll get you in a little while, chill out. And that's Joe. Say hey, Joe. Say hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Roof stays on, the new roofs. Kind of windy. This way, come check on everybody. Everybody's in here. Trying to keep them chilled out. I check on everybody every 30 minutes. And I'll do the same thing throughout the night, throughout tomorrow. Alrighty then. Hopefully this little boy stays up. Got all these boards on. All that should hold it down. I might close the door. Greenhouse is here as it's gonna get. Close it up. Hope for the best.
The warm air above the ocean rises upward, thus creating an area of low pressure below. Air from the surrounding areas push in and try to fill the area with low air pressure, which now becomes warm and moist and rises.
Everybody in here, check on them. So the plastic's on the inside. So if I have to, I cut the insides. Put these guys in these right here for now. This pond here is empty, so it's full of water. So we take this water, put it over there. Take this water, there's 100 gallons. All the ponds will be good. It'll strap down. This time. So each post has about 150 pounds on it. So I put the blocks on this time. I took a 2x4 and bolted it to the post. Hope you should be fine.
As the moist air rises, the surrounding air again tries to fill in. And this process continues till the water in the air forms clouds. Soon the clouds and winds spin around, fueled by the ocean's heat and water vapor.
Each post has bricks on it. And I'll be coming in as fast as it happens, so I'll be checking on everything. So she's getting a little windy. And that's about that. I had a couple little things I gotta do. I go do that. Get this one up. Try to get some more up. Get this battery charged back up. Make sure everything's ready. Get Joe ready. Joe's coming inside.
From the top, hurricanes can be as huge as 300 miles wide.
I believe the iguanas would be alright. If I was really worried, there's no trees or nothing, so if those go, they're not gonna, it'd be safer to have it. It ain't really gonna penetrate. Could take out my greenhouse though. I hope it stays alright. All the redfoots are up. Squirrels are in. For the squirrel people, they're up inside. We don't take no chances. We put them in a little cage though, for now. They'll be alright. Everything is up. Except for the mice. I forgot about the mice. Oh my goodness. Guess I gotta get them up. It's gonna go. Can we build anything? We just gotta make sure everybody's safe. So, should be alright. Should be. Alright, well, that's the first episode. Wish I could get that back a little bit further. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Oh Lord. Cows are laying down. That's not good. Cows lay down. They know something's about to come on.
Repcal time! A huge hurricane can release energy equivalent to 10 atomic bombs per second.
Natural pond already. Alright. What is it called? Dora. Hurricane Dora, episode 1.
Across the sea, edges towards the coastal regions, whipping waves up crazily. Though its eye is calm and gentle, it's as wild as it can be. Hurricane hits violent city, in its wake is tragedy. A hurricane by any